A tight, secure connection on HVAC electrical terminals prevents voltage drop, overheating, and premature failure. Loose terminals create resistance that lowers voltage at the load, so always aim for a clean conductor surface and a mechanically sound joint. For stranded wire, use a properly sized ferrule or crimp sleeve and a quality crimping tool rated for the conductor size. Squeeze firmly until the tool's ratchet releases, and then give a gentle tug test to confirm retention. For solid wire, use the correct terminal lug and tighten the screw or nut to the manufacturer's torque spec with a torque screwdriver or wrench so the clamp is snug but not over-compressed. Avoid nicking or undercutting the conductor when stripping by using a calibrated wire stripper set to the wire insulation thickness and leave the specified length of conductor exposed. When reusing terminals, replace any that show discoloration, pitting, or spring loss and clean mating surfaces with a wire brush or contact cleaner. Corrosion increases resistance quickly. Document terminal torque and inspection dates and include them in routine maintenance so future technicians follow the same standards. If you encounter high heat or recurring looseness, consider upgrading to a larger terminal, improved strain relief, or switching to a screwless or bolted terminal design rated for the operating temperature. Common mistakes include under-torquing, which lets the connection vibrate loose. Correct this by using a calibrated torque tool and recording the value. Over-torquing can crush the conductor and cause high resistance or breakage. Prevent that by following the terminal manufacturer's specified torque range and using the right-sized hardware. Another frequent issue is poor preparation of the conductor, like stray strands or insulation shaving that cause intermittent contact. Solve it by stripping to the right length, trimming stray strands, and using ferrules or soldered terminations only when recommended for that application. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for electrical and HVAC work and provides a space where contractors can find new leads and post their services. We host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals exchange tips, ask questions, and share real job experiences so our members can make better decisions.